When the US withdrew from Afghanistan in 2021, the world saw it as a retreat. But what if Bagram Air Base, once the most fortified American base outside the US, was never truly abandoned? For 2 decades, Bagram wasn't just a military base. It was the nervous system of America's Middle East operations. A silent command post for drone strikes, intelligence intercepts, and black site interrogations. The CIA ran part of it. The NSA had its eyes there. Even the US Space Force used it as a relay node. Then came the withdrawal. Overnight, the lights went off, or so we were told. But satellite imagery since 2022 showed renewed heat signatures, night activity, and aircraft movements long after American troops left. China's intelligence satellites picked it up. Russia's GRU hinted it might have become a covert joint operations hub, not under the Taliban, but under private military control, possibly aligned with US interests. Rumors spread fast that advanced surveillance gear left behind accidentally was remotely reactivated, that hidden tunnels under the base were never sealed, and that Bagram today operates in the shadows, a ghost fortress, quietly watching the same mountains where America once fought its longest war. Why does this matter now? Because in 2025, the Taliban granted China access to nearby mining corridors. Rare earths, lithium, uranium. Yet days later, mysterious drones appeared over those routes. Unidentified, precise, and unmistakably American-made. So here's the real question. Did the US ever truly leave Afghanistan? Or did it just switch off the lights and keep the cameras rolling? The real Bagram mystery isn't about what America left behind. It's about what it never let go.